Hello and welcome to New Roots. Today we have a new case of grade 6 male pattern alopecia. Let's see Sir's reviews, how he is and what is his reviews for the transplant. He has come all the way from UK to get his transplant done, and let's go through his journey about the transplant, about the procedure, about everything regarding his transplant. Hello, sir. So, could you just share your views with our, patients that how was your journey?
Let me introduce us myself, Vijay Chaudhary. I am a resident of United Kingdom. I was thinking about a transplant from quite long time, and I got the mixed feedback from various people, various media, and then finally I got connected with Madam. I came here on 19th June just to meet you, and then understood what is the process, what type of hair transplants are available. Madam described me two types. One is FUE and other is Sapphire.
Right.
I also read about this thing on websites, various websites, and the way you explain it makes me easy to decide which way to go. And then I decided to go with Sapphire. I got the very good reference about you from my friend Nitin Walkhede and Praveen Taude.
Right.
So I was very confident about it, and now I am sharing my experience.
And
That yes, I'm very happy. You can see the results.
now we also want to make this video just to make people aware that having a good donor is very important when you're planning for a grade 6 and grade 7 male pattern alopecia. We can see Sir has a very huge Sir has a very huge area of baldness, wherein the donor was average to good donor. When we started extracting his grafts, we came to know that he has more of singles and less of triples and quadruplets. So more of single and double is again a challenge for us when we have to, actually cover a good amount of area with a good amount of density per se. And when it comes to a Sapphire procedure, we already have to give you a very impact density. So when the procedure proceeds, we have to make certain changes according to every patient. Every patient is not the same. The area of baldness is not the same. The width of the head size is not the same. In Sir's procedure, if you just see, the frontal angle was absolutely bald, whereas in the middle portion was in kind of diffuse pattern, whereas the crown again was empty. So when we saw that there are more of singles and doubles, the pattern of transplant we changed. So the first 3000 grafts we gave him a very high density for him to have a very good natural dense area look with coverage and good density. Whereas the mid portion, as you can see in the previous photo, has a good amount of hair in between. So we had to refill this area over a period of time then, and then when the crown is absolutely empty, we have to cover the crown. So the crown was given a typical whirl pattern in the anti-clockwise direction, so that once the hair starts coming up, when we are slitting the crown, it has to have a proper anti-clockwise whirl, so the hair comes in the same direction per se. So after 5 to 6 months, when the hair starts coming up, it should look natural. The single hairline should be proper. Mid-scalp refilling should be good. And also the crown area should have a good amount of grafts in a whirl pattern to give a soft, crisp, natural, good density hair look towards the patient. We are very thankful to Sir to come down all the way from UK and have faith in us to give himself to us and have a good amount of confidence that everything will go ahead smoothly. So very thankful to you, Sir. I will also, want to share your photos and your videos post you fly back after 5 to 6 months. So there will be many patients who will be, aware about, like, even if you're not regular with your plasma treatments, even then the procedure can give us very good results.
One more important thing is after treatment, uh, as I understand from you, there is a process like we need to take the medicine.
Right.
Right. And the PRP is recommended, not if it is possible.
Right.
If you are not here in India and you cannot do the PRP, then the medicines can be provided not only for the work, just for the duration of 1 month, but for the whole year, so you can manage and take care of it.
Yes. And we will keep in touch with you through your emails and your WhatsApp on a monthly basis. And we'll post photos whenever possible. Okay. Signing off for now. If you have any queries regarding hair transplant, any kind of hair related and scalp related issues, you can definitely get back to us. We are at Canada Corner, Puruvilla House, Nashik. Thank you.
Thank you.